I know you think that you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong. Why never did you feel that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to file your returns, especially for the civil servants. So that is whether you're employed by the ministry, by the government, or etc. So basically it will be a step-by-step procedure of how to file your returns using a P9, but this basically for the civil servants, P9. So open your browser and go to iTax. So iTax KRA.go.ke. Okay. Then input your PIN. Here we have it. Then say continue. Input your password. Then do these maths. Then we say login. To take you direct to your account. So go to returns. Then you say file returns. Okay. This will be at self. This will be your PIN. Now it's obligation. You put residential individual. So say next. Now you need to download the Excel, or you can use the ODS if you want, but normally the common use is the Excel, which is even the easiest one. So don't forget you're doing a tax return for 2021 from January 1st to 31st of December, and this is an original return, so you're not amending. This is the original one you're doing first. So Excel. So this is just downloading it. So it's saying you have one existing, so which is okay. So I'll say okay. I think I'd already downloaded one earlier on. Let's see, open it. So it is, so I just double click to open. It has opened, so we have to enable macros. You see here, enable macros. You need to enable this content. That's the first thing you need to do. So it tells you please do not cut or paste any value. So this is important to note. So macros is enabled. Genuine, let's forget about this. I'll cancel this. Okay, so now we start. So here you just put the P9, your PIN. Yeah, no, not the P9. To put your PIN. Here you just put your PIN. So okay, here it is the type of return you're doing. It is original, as you remember I already told you. So the period you're doing is for 2021 from January to, so the format is a date, month, then year. So we do 01, we put a slash 01, that's January slash years 2021. Okay, very important. To just load, yeah, then you click the next one again, so it is 31st slash 12 slash 2021. Okay, so we are done. The rest of the others is just unknown, you don't change anything. So we go to the second tab. In the second tab, here you put the PIN of the employer. So it is the Ministry of Health. So all these details you get them from your P9. So the P9 is here. I do have a simulation of a P9. So it is the employer is the Ministry of Health, and this is the PIN for the Ministry of Health. So it's the Government of Kenya Civil Service. So it's important to note that P9 form for the civil service and the normal people who are employed by the private sector, they are a bit different. So this tutorial is very important because the filing is a bit different, a little bit, because as you see here, you see how you do it, and for the other one is different. So let's continue. So it is the Ministry of Health. Okay, so that the name of the employer. So the PIN is we had already checked, it is here. Here's the PIN, so we put it there also. That is correct. Then you go to the name of the employer. The Ministry of Health. So now we go to the real stuff now. So the gross pay now. So we go to the P9. So the gross pay is the taxable pay, which is this one here. So it is 512 to 74. Okay, 512,274. So we need to put it here. That is the gross pay, total gross pay for that year. So we are good. Okay, so for allowances it is 0 because it doesn't have any allowances. The net value for housing is 0 also, doesn't have. So here where you navigate on the page. So the pension excess is also 0. Okay, so you are done. So nothing else here in this page. So you go to the next one, which is this one. This is about details of the pay deductions. So the same. So as long as you're filled from this page, you just click on this arrow and you get the PIN here for the one you have already filed. Okay, so just click there. The only thing you will write is the name of the employer. So it still remains the Ministry of Health. Okay, I'll confirm something. Just a moment. Yeah, we're good. Okay, yeah, so you have the PIN, the Ministry of Health. So taxable salary, so it remains the same, the one we already put on the this form here, this tab. So it will be still 512 274. Okay, tax payable on taxable salary. Now this one is different. That's why I'm telling you the P9 for the private sector and the P9 for the civil servant, they are a bit different. So now to get the tax payable on taxable salary, now it will do a computation. This will be pay out, which is here, pay out. Okay, then we add MPR value. So it will be a sum total of this and this. Okay, so that will be 115 598. We add 12,000. Okay, so that will be the total. That will be the total tax payable on taxable side. Okay, so this value will be 127 598. Okay, are we okay there? Then we go to amount of tax deducted. This is the payee now. Okay, and that is the one, the payee auto. You remember the first one, this one here. So this is the payee. Okay, so it is 115,598. So this is what we put here. Okay, so we put this here. Nice. Then this will be calculated for us. So this will be amount tax payable. This will be the or refundable. So this one, as you see, is 12,000, which totals to our MPR value. Okay, very important. It has to be like that. If you don't get that, it means there's something wrong in your inputs. So now in the rest, you don't put anything, or this is don't put anything. So in this part, you don't put anything. This one you don't fill. That remains like that. For the residential individual filing of returns, this remains like that. So we go to the last part, which is the tax computation. Okay, so here we only do the pension, two columns. We do this first. So for the pension contribution, as per the form, you can see it is 0. Okay, so this remains 0. Very important. So you put here 0. Okay, so that one is done 0. So we go down. You also do, you see the ones you fill are already highlighted with a green. There's an highlighting of the cell, the one you're supposed to fill. So it is very important to know which one you're supposed to fill. So as you can see, this column, this was highlighted, filled. These others are not highlighted, so the one which is highlighted is now this is personal relief. Our personal relief, it is the MPR value, which is 12,000. Remember, so 12,000. Okay, then you are done filling this, so it will calculate for you there below, and you see that we owe KRA 36,550. So we are done. So this is how much we owe KRA. So I will finish on this, send, and then I'll show you how to claim this from KRA, because now we need to claim this. So I'll show you first to finish filing the returns, complete to get the form, and then I show you how to do this now to raise the claim to get the refund. Because when you get a negative, it means that KRA needs to pay you, but when it's a positive, it means you need to pay KRA. Okay. So here we are done. So we say validate. It takes time to validate, and then it saves an Excel file with the date and the pin to your computer. Then now you take it, and then you'll be able to load it. So it says there's an error found in the sheet. This is because I need to put my bank details because of this. So I'll say okay. This will take me to the first where the errors are. So it's saying section T. So here, it's saying section T. Cell number C26. Let me check. C26. So C26. 26 here. Credits, advanced tax information. These are 0. So let's validate again. Let's see what comes. So now it says sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate upload file? So you say yes. It has already finished validating, so say yes, and then it will tell you just a moment. It is compressing it to a zipped file. So let's give it a moment. It is compressing it to a zipped file. It has finished zipping it. So now it tells you where the location of where you can find that. So it tells you in your computer where it is, in the documents, in OneDrive, and it will give you the date of today, the time, and your PIN will be accompanied on the name of the name of the document. So say okay, then you can go there and collect the data. So you're done on this Excel. So we can actually cancel it because we don't need it anymore. So you can say don't save because it already saved the one you have already done. So now we go to, you're back into our iTax profile. So now we go to choose a file. So there it is where you go. You want to attach the file here now. So it said it was in the documents. Okay. So the date today is 1906. So and the time is 17:53. So yeah, this one is the one because even the PIN also correlates. I'm just confirming to be sure. Yes, it is that one. So this is the file you need. So you click it and say open, and it comes here. So you say agree to the conditional terms, and then you click submit. So it said, do you want to upload the form? So you say okay. So return submitted successfully with acknowledgement number this. So login to return received. So it's done, guys. So we are done. So that is how you do it. So it has already been. So when you see this, you are good, and you can still be able to download your receipt so that you can be able to view it to your own peril. Okay. So you can say start download, and then you can open it. So to check on our file my return. So that will be done, guys. So basically that is how you do it, guys. So thank you for watching and be blessed.